Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to promote ClickBank affiliate marketing offers on TikTok. Firstly, come on to clickbank.com. So guys, when you come on to clickbank.com over here, you will see this dashboard in front of you. So from over here, what I want you to do is click on sign up from the top right, and then after that, wait for a couple of seconds. And then that is going to take you over to the ClickBank sign up page. So once you come on over here on the ClickBank sign up page from over here, you can simply sign up by putting in your first name, last name, phone number, email address, password, and then simply signing up for absolutely free using ClickBank. Now, once you do that, you can simply move on to the post sign up process. So when you sign up, you will see this dashboard in front of you from over here. Simply what I want you to do is click on the marketplace from the top right. And then once you click on the marketplace, that is going to take you over to another page. So now from over here, you will be able to see from the left side all the categories that are available in this particular genre, all the categories that are available on ClickBank. So we have betting systems, business investing, computer/internet education, employment and jobs, fiction games, and so many more products. So now from over here, what I want you to do is that I want you to click on health and fitness. So once you click on health and fitness, that is going to take you over to this particular page. So now from over here, you can see all the different offers that are available on ClickBank for you to promote right now. You have a lot of different things that you have to be on the lookout for when you are basically doing your product hunting. While you're finding that perfect offer, that is going to get you a lot of clicks. So for that, what you need to do essentially is simply take a look at the bottom of every single product. So like at the bottom of this particular product, we can see that we have the stats, we have the recurring rebill. So the stats show you the initial conversion. The initial conversion is how much money you will make whenever a person signs up for the first time on this particular product. So, like for the first time, you will make $140 per person. For the second time in the recurring rebill, you will make $34 per month every single month on autopilot. If a person buys this product for the first time, after that you have the graph score. So the graph is an indicator of how good a particular product is. So the higher the graph, the better it is. The lower the graph, the better it gets. So after that, you can even see the categories. So like in the categories, you're going to essentially see what this particular product is about, what category falls into. So that way you could better target your whole niche. So now from over here, you have to just look around and find the perfect offer. So like this first offer is nice, and this is going to pay me $141. If I were to get sales by the second offer is going to pay me $174. So, this looks better. But the thing is, will this be hard to sell? Or will this be easy to sell? You have to ask yourself these questions. The offer that is going to be easy to sell should be your go-to offer. You should always prioritize offers, which you can sell easily even if the money is less as compared to any other offers. Then from the left side, you can also specify exactly what type of offers you want. So, there are just so many options over here. You can even filter offers by your language, by your billing info, by your required attributes, and so many more options. And then also, you could always expand upon more products. So, let's say you don't like the health and fitness niche, you can always go into a different niche, like the spirituality, new age, and alternate belief niche, or any niche in general. So, the offers are always there, and the potential is always there. So you can definitely go about these things. However, you want to add however you want to expand. So, once you have done this, once you've found your offers, for example, I'm going to go back and I'm going to basically pick that particular offer. So once you've found your particular offer, what I want you to do is simply click on promote. And after that, simply click on generate hop links from over here. And then simply copy this happening, which is basically another way of saying an affiliate link. So once you have your hop link, what I want you to do is simply open up a new tab, paste that particular affiliate link over here. So once you paste it over here, after that, you will be able to see your landing page in front of you. So once you see your landing page in front of you, you can see how will it look like, how will other people react to it, and how will it work in general. So over here, we can see how it looks like. So for now, it looks pretty nice. So I'm going to click on the click to reveal your numbers. And then let's see what it says. So now it says 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I guess so over here, I can see my numbers and stuff. So the animations are nice. The overall text is nice. So definitely very nice. I could recommend this. So now I'm going to come back, I find my product, and now I know it is going to pay me quite some money as well. So if I'm going to simply now go to TikTok, so once you come onto TikTok, you can simply type in over here, weight loss. So once you type in weight loss, you will essentially be able to see all the pages in the weight loss section selected. Now you can see pages in the weight loss section. So I'm going to open up this weight loss and recipes pages. So, like once I open up this weight loss and recipes pages, then I can see all the offers that are present in the weight loss and recipes page. So like what this person is doing is that this person is literally just like, joining videos from like making them in his home, and then simply adding text and stuff. And now he has videos. So he's getting like, 2,500 likes and like a lot of comments. So what you can do is that you can make similar videos, but in a different way. You can add stock images, which you can be get from google.com or from pexels.com. So like you can literally get any image from pexels.com. You can literally type in toast over here and you will get a lot of different images. So like I'm going to do that right now in front of you. And now over here, you can see that we have a lot of different videos in front of us. So like essentially, that is basically how it works. And that is how you can basically get started. Now, how are you going to make a video out of this? So to make a video, what you can do is that you can simply open up a new tab and you can simply type in over here in short. So once you type in short over here, you will see this video editor come up. So this is the video editor that you can essentially use for yourself. So we have this particular application for Android phones out there. So it is going to take a second to load up. But like this is the application for Android phones. And then similarly, we have that same application for the iOS users out there as well. This is easy to work with. And you can simply grab stock images, add text, add some music as well from your library, and then simply upload over here on your very own page. And then in the description, what you can do is that you can simply put in the affiliate link that you got from over here. So that is how you can drive traffic, like a lot of free traffic towards your affiliate link. So like that is how it works. And that is how you can get started using ClickBank. So after that, now let's say you want to expand your earnings. So for that, what you can do is you can simply open up a youtube.com. And then once you open up youtube.com, simply type in the search bar weight loss. So once you type in weight loss, after that, wait for a couple of seconds and you will see all these different videos that come up. So now click on filters, click on Creative Commons. So all of these videos that are coming up right now, all of these are copyright free. So what you can do is you can simply download any one of these videos using YouTube HD Downloader, and then simply re-upload them on your channel and paste this affiliate link in the description and have people buy it, or maybe put in a text as well. Tell people to check out your exclusive product in the description, and that will surely get you a lot of clicks and a lot of sales. And guys, again, one last time, if you find this video useful, and if you found what you were looking for, guys, make sure to share it with anybody who might need to learn about similar stuff, or who might need to learn about this particular platform as well, or someone who might need to learn about this comparison. So definitely do that. It might make someone stay and also stay happy. So that is the video, guys. If this video helped you out, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. To get my most recommended way of making money online, click on the link in the description. Thanks for watching.